everyone, so welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to bring you another packing video or what's in my diaper bag video, whatever you want to call it. So I did just recently purchase a Be Supplied from one of my good friends, and I actually sold my Black and Bloom Hobo Bee, and here comes my child with a toy. So I ended up selling my Hobo Bee in Black and Bloom, and if you haven't already checked out that video, then I'll leave it linked down below. But I just wasn't feeling the print anymore, and I still really love the print, but I guess I just wasn't feeling it on the Hobo Bee, and I wasn't finding myself really reaching for the Hobo Bee as much. I don't know, I feel like maybe I would rather use a Hobo Bee that is more kind of plain, like a Nantucket or Blackout or something like that. Regardless, I winded up buying the Sakura swirl print. I can't even say that right. So I'm actually just about to leave, and I have this all packed up exactly how I want to use it. So I haven't exactly used the bag itself, so I'm a little excited about this. I want to share how I packed it up. But before this intro gets any longer, let's just jump right into it. So in the front mommy pocket right here, I have it pretty simple. I do have a mini wipe pouch with some boogie wipes in there. I don't have anything on the key fob. And then right here in the little mesh pocket, I have an Honest Company hand sanitizer spray. And then I also have a small set piece and whimsical watercolor as my wallet. So on this side pocket, I have this as kind of like my restaurant kit. So right here, I have 2 bibs. I have a wipey clutch with some wipes to clean their hands and their faces. And then back here, I have a silicone mat. I don't have anything in this back slip pocket, but I think I'm just gonna stick my phone in there. And in this side pocket, I really didn't want to put anything in there that was gonna take up room on the inside of the bag. So in here, I just have 2 sippy cups. These are the Twist and Shake sippy cups, and I absolutely love these. They fit nicely side by side. So I can't remember if anybody mentioned anything about these D-rings getting in the way. So I figured that I would try and resolve that issue with just tucking in the D-rings when I'm not using them. So then when I open the zipper up, it won't get in the way. So this is what it looks like. Right here, I have a large set piece. I have my diapering stuff. So I have a wipe pouch with some wipes. I have a to-go Lysol spray. I do have some diaper rash cream on those rare occasions that they may need it. And then I have 3 size 5 diapers here, and then I have a light change pad from the Be Sporty. So right next to that, I do have another large set piece in Donatella Sweet Shop, and in here I just have a pair of socks, and I have a 24-month romper that either one of my kids can use, and then I also have a JUJUBE wet bag. So as you can tell, this is where the pump pocket is, and now that I've kind of taken out those 2 pieces, it's kind of extending, but it's just kind of squished off to the side. In this back zipper pocket, I do just have one of these little drawing things for the kiddos in case they get bored. And then off to the side, I do have 2 medium set pieces. In this one, I just have an itsy bitsy teething necklace, and then I have a couple of toys there. I also have this that I actually bought my 2-year-old. I can also use this for my 1-year-old, but it's just a little brain quest thing, and it has a whole bunch of different pictures, and it has questions and stuff. So it's supposed to help your toddler speak more. So I thought that was pretty nice for whenever we go out and we're waiting on our food. So that's everything that I have in here. And then in this medium set piece that one of my lovely friends sent to me, I have just a few things for me. I have some makeup, I have a pin from the Sensible Mama, and then I have a charging block. And then in this coin purse, I just have some Tylenol, and then I have these little clips here just in case that I want to fix my hair up or something, because I always have that mom hair. So now I'm just going to repack whatever I did take out. That is it for my packing video. So I hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you did, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and if you like to watch these types of videos, and I'll see you for the next one. Bye guys.